Hi everyone! Today we're going to be talking about cardiovascular health, and the materials that you'll need today is just some space to work in and a simple calculator. I first want to break down that really big word, cardiovascular. So cardio refers to our heart, and vascular refers to all the vessels in our body and the pathway that blood takes throughout it. Our heart's a really important muscle, and the more that we train it, the more we keep it healthy, and we can do that through physical activity. We're actually going to take a look at that right now. So the first thing we're going to do is find our pulse, and that's a direct reflection of how our heart is beating. 3 ways that we can do this. We can actually take 2 fingers and place them gently on our neck and feel that thump there. Or you can take 2 fingers and drag them along your wrist and kind of feel that pulse on the outside there. Or you can take your right hand and place it over your heart and feel your heartbeat that way. So we're actually going to count how many times that we feel that pulse for 15 seconds. So whichever way that you choose, if you can't find one way, that's okay. Go ahead and try one of the other methods, or you can go and ask an adult for help if you really can't find any of them. So go ahead, choose which way is most comfortable for you, and I'm going to start a 15-second timer. Let's go. Okay, how many beats did you count? Because I got 16. So I'm going to take my calculator and I'm going to put in 16 because that's the number of times that I felt my pulse. But I'm going to multiply that by 4 because I want to know how many times it would beat in 60 seconds. So that will be 64 beats. But now we're going to see how that changes with a little activity. So what we're going to do is we're going to do some simple jumping jacks for 1 minute. So if you've never done a jumping jack before, make sure you have enough space. We're going to jump our arms and legs out at the same time and then bring them back to meet. So we're going to get up, we're going to have fun, we're going to start moving, and we're going to do that for 1 minute. And then immediately after, we're going to do what we just did and find our pulse anywhere and count for 15 seconds. Get ready. I'm going to put 1 minute. And we're going to start in 3, 2, 1. We got 60 seconds of jumping jacks. We're going to see how hard our heart works. You can grab anybody to do your jumping jacks with you. Grab a sibling, grab a parent, grandparent, guardian, aunt, uncle, your dog. Halfway. Go ahead, tell your friends they're doing a good job. 10 more seconds. Get ready to take your pulse. All right, get counting. 15 seconds. All right, great job, folks. What did you get when you counted the second time? Grab your calculator. I got 24 beats in 15 seconds. So I'm going to do the same thing, and I'm going to multiply by 4. 96 beats per minute is how fast my heart was going to be beating. So we got to see how hard our heart works when we do activity. Now we're going to take a look at what that looks like on the inside. And lastly, we're going to learn a few things to do to keep that super muscle nice and healthy.